Welcome to another video. If you want to boost your energy, watch this video until the end. First, we need an egg, just the yolk. Add some black seeds. Use this simple method and undoubtedly you will thank me. By implementing this easy approach, you will have a positive experience. This effective solution will lead you to significant results. This straightforward remedy will enhance your capabilities and you will enjoy it. So, confidently apply this method and soon you will be amazed by its positive results. Add lemon to enhance the flavor. Consume this snack for 10 days. If you found the video helpful, like it and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. We're honored to have you with us.